different colors, and believe me, my favorite are roses. So I see lots and lots of red buds, they are about to bloom. And for me, as a soft skills trainer, and as I told you in the morning when we started the day, that I am on the panel of various corporate companies and universities pan-India. So my soft skills profession, as whenever I look at this whiteboard, for me those buds are who are about to bloom. For me those buds are all my students pan-India, studying at various universities, who are ready to rock, who are ready to step out of their university and colleges, and very soon they will be out transforming as a different person. So I want to empower each one of them with the life skills, with lot of my soft skills session, and I need to make sure that each one of them are able to achieve their dreams, are able to meet up their own expectations, are able to do something different what they have not done till date. And there are so many things that have already been written on this board, but I am lucky enough to have this duster, because this duster will help me in erasing out the memories which I never wanted. Some things I would like to change, some things I would like to improve, because there is always a scope of improvement. There is nothing known as perfection in this world, and there are some things I would like to enrich, I would like to learn. So keep learning, keep rocking.